So for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add simple animation to your player object. So typically for animation, you want to create an empty game object called your, or whatever you want to name it, and you want it to house your player object. So why I do this is because when I actually animate this, I want it to move in this direction, and when it reaches here, I want it to stay here. So if I don't have the parent object, it will immediately go back to my initial position where the animation starts. Whereas if I have the parent object, it won't. Okay, so you can try building it yourself, and you'll see what I mean. So by right, I should have created the player parent first and then created the player. So I'm just gonna leave it as this. If there's any problem, just let me know and I'll edit the tutorial. Okay, so just click on your player object, and we're gonna go into window animation. Okay, so if you click create, you realize you need to save it. So let's first create a folder called animation. Okay, and now when you create it, you can save it in your animation folder, and I'm gonna name it player anim. Okay, so if you can see, I'm using my player object. If you click on anything else, it's not you did not create an animation for it. So for your player object, I'm just gonna move the position. You can choose to move more than one thing, one property. So now it's static. You will see nothing moves. I'm gonna scroll out a bit so that I have more time to play with here. I'm gonna move my pointer here and then click record, and then I'm gonna change the position. You can manually input positions, or you can just move it wherever and stop. So now if you look from here, your player will move here and it will move back to this keyframe. So I don't really care for this keyframe. I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, so that's the basic concept. If you want to see how fast it moves, you just press play, and it's really fast. Okay, I'm gonna drag it out a bit. Okay, now let me try. That's better. Okay, so yeah, with this general concept, you can just play around, sorry, and just create more movements. And maybe I'm sick of having it move slowly, so I'll just make it move faster. Okay, so now if I press play, I want to go to the beginning, and I'll just press play. So you see it moves this way, and then you can just adjust this wherever you want. So yeah, so that's how you make animations. So in the next video, I will go a bit more into detail on how you can control animations. For example, now this is your default state and I don't want that, so we'll look at it in the next video.